spot.
इंटीमेट सीन्स परफॉर्म करना, हम जो देखते हैं हमें लगता है कि ये ऐसे हो रहा है या ये वैसे हो रहा है, बट क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं, जैसे कैमरे पे हम सिर्फ 2 ही देख रहे हैं, बट पीछे कितने लोग हैं वी नो इट.
You know how-
वो कैसे? हाँ.
I'm sorry, I'm a bad habit.
प्लीज.
How many times I have actually been in a denim doing comedy. तो BTS जो है ना, जहाँ पे स्क्रीन में आपको दिख रहा है कि 2 कैरेक्टर्स आर किसिंग एंड एकदम बाहों में ऐसे भरे हैं. BTS is Tridha in a denim and a tank top, just dancing around, probably just eating gajar ka halwa and making fun of like how she's going to do this. That's the true BTS, which means it's not that crazy. It's all orchestrated like how you would rehearse a fight sequence. It's pretty much for the camera and rehearsed. Because aajkal, I think we all have better rights. I would say as an actress, we have better rights to say ki I don't want the opposite gender or an actor to take advantage of me. So I have discussed with my director, I've discussed with my actor, I've sat down with them and we've rehearsed this over and over again ki if it's a kiss, we know the extent of the kiss. If it's holding and grabbing, it doesn't exceed that. If it exceeds, then we'll call for a cut.
मुझे याद है मैं प्रकाश साहब से बात कर रहा था या भोपा स्वामी से बात हुई थी, तो बता रहे थे कि जब बहुत बार शूट होता था वो पूरा रूम खाली करवा देते, कोई नहीं चाहिए.
But that's the norm. I mean, we never, in fact, even if there's a very, forget about intimacy, a serious scene, और मेरे जैसे हम आप बैठे हैं यहाँ पे कैमरा है, वहाँ पे पीछे कोई घूम रहा है हाई लाइन में, they are also removed. The point is that actor should really feel that there's no distraction and the actor shouldn't be bothered about कौन देख रहा है, कौन छुप के ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, ये सब नहीं होने चाहिए ना. Like I said, a mahal is very important for anything in life.
Correct.
And especially if you're on screen.
मैं अगर आपसे पूछूं कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कोई आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट लाया हूँ, प्रोजेक्ट लाया हूँ, कोई भी XYZ पर्सन, ऐसी 5 चीजें जो आप बोलोगी कि अविनाश अगर मेरे पास ये 5 चीजें हैं तो मैं वो प्रोजेक्ट करूंगी, else I won't do it.
Okay, title. A title matters. If you have some very intensely weird title, the film never works.
जैसे?
Oh my God, you put me in a spot. But let's move on from that. My point is, title matters. I think really matters. You know, most films that do well have a single. No, it's a proven theory. Look at Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood. Look at anything. It really works. Second is definitely, I think.
किस तरह की टाइटल फिल्में चल जाती हैं? अच्छा ये बता दो कैसी नहीं?
पुष्पा देख लो, for instance. कांतारा देख लो.
ठीक है.
Right. दम है. There is something about the thing. You know, there is something about the title that always it's a sure shot. Like you know, है. Like you can bet on this.